Well, I haven't made a video in a few weeks. My dad's been in the hospital. He had major back surgery, so I've been taking care of him. And now I'm kind of getting back to where I can fool some things. So I'm going to try and get this pump running today. It's been cold too. It's cold out right now. It's just about freezing, and we're at like the, I don't know, maybe 8th or 9th of April, and we just haven't warmed up yet this year. We had a inch of snow the past few mornings. So anyway, let's see if we can get something done with this pump here. Alright, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to take this bucket, and I got a hole saw here that's about the right size. I'm going to bore a hole to put that pipe in, and I'm just going to kind of cobble this on there with some tape and just recirculate the water into that bucket so I can run this thing and get it ready to put on Craigslist. I just want to make sure it's all in good running order, make a video so that if a prospective buyer wants to see it run before they come and look at it, they can. Oh, I got some totally cobbled up mess here, but it should be enough to run the pump. And it is the pump brand name is, tip it up on end, it's a Teel, Dayton Electric Manufacturing Company, Chicago, Illinois, 60648 USA, and this is, it says it's a Teel self-priming centrifugal pump, model 3P526A, code OK. And again, it says that it's a Dayton manufacturer. So it looks like this has 2-inch. It's been adapted down to 1 inch. Or 1.5 inch, I'm sorry. 2-inch, it's been adapted to 1.5. So we'll take this thing out and put a little gas in it. It's a 3 horsepower Briggs Stratton engine. Doesn't have points, and it has a magnetron. It's a 1985 engine. Alright, let's see what this thing does. See if it pumps, runs and pumps. Certainly does. Whoops, leaned it out too much. Right where it was originally set is where it runs the best. I've had it running for about 20 minutes now. Just make sure there's no issues with it. Just put a little bit of gas like up to there. So I'm just going to let it run until it runs out of gas. I'll blow the tank out with the air hose so it has no gas in it while it's stored until I sell it. Pumps pretty darn good. Okay, it's all done and ready to sell. I ran the gas out of it and then blew the tank out with the air hose so you can see in the tank it's clean and dry. So the oil's changed, new spark plug, carbs rebuild as you saw in the previous video. So pretty much all ready to put on Craigslist, which I think I'm going to do here in the next couple hours. So again, if you enjoy my channel, please subscribe, and thank you for watching my videos.